Look at this finishing touch of this remodel bathroom. To remodel your bathroom and get it to a finishing like this is very simple and easy, but it all depends on what you want to use. That will depend on the cost of the remodeling. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe, press the notification bell to get notified when I do more video like this. Bathroom remodel. So the question people ask most of the time, what is the cost to remodel a bathroom? It all depends on what you want. If you want expensive stuff, then it's gotta be expensive. If you want less expensive stuff, so it all depends on what you use. But you have to get good stuff, make your place look nice. Look at these counters, understand me? Nice and clean. These stops shine. And you know this is waterproof, so the water won't damage this. And there you can see we have lights. So alright, I'm gonna explain. So we have double sink, face facing. These are face facing. So we have two mirror. We have light. See if I get this light on. Okay, yeah. So here we have light, bright light for dressing purpose and things. So some people might not want two sink, they might want one. You understand me? So it all depends on what you want. That's what the cost add up to be the cost of the bathroom you want. Alright. So as you can see, we take a tour without me. That's not about me. So as you can see, we have the lights, two lights. We have two mirror. Two mirror. Double sink. Then this is the shower. So here we have a shower. Very kind of small. I guess so. The bathroom no wide. It's always long with no wide. So this is the shower. So this is a walk-in. So this is the shower. Don't want a tub. Some people might like a tub. You use a tub. So that's all of these things put together make, you know, the cost you want, how much you want to spend to renovate your bathroom. So as you can see, it is pretty well clean and neat. Oh, here we have this is a closet. Yeah, so this is a closet. Yeah, this is a closet. And I think this is at 10 by 12 bathroom. So it's not that small. So the question, as I say, it all depends on what you want as fixtures and as features for your bathroom. That will tell you the cost. So if you cannot want nice pretty things and expect to get it that cheap, you go with a cost. So it all depends on what you want. That's what you use to select the cost of your bathroom. Well, I'm just doing this video. If it makes sense to you, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. If you don't like something about it, tell me, let me know. So this is it. I say, keep the glass chrome. Yeah, so when you're handing over the job, you make sure all of these things are crispy. Keep the glass crown. So there's no flaws. Comb on the glasses. Yeah. Yep. So tell me what you think. Is this video interesting? Yes, it was. No, it is not. Let me know. So, as I say, to figure the cost for your bathroom, it all depends on what type of fixture you want to use. So, if you want a shower with a tub, it's going to be a different cost. If you want a single face basin with a single mirror, it's less cost because this is 2 face basin, 2 mirror, 2 lights. So if you want to cut the cost, you can use one. It's optional, it's up to what you want to use. So select what you want to use to make your bathroom nice, and just spend what you can afford. Sometimes you have to go simple until you can do the right thing. Now if you can afford it, go ahead, select what you like, choose what you want. So that's it. So this is a 12, no, this is a 10. Of course, yeah, this is a 10 by 12 bathroom with decent size. Walk-in shower, it's not a tub. Have a closet. Clean. Nice. Tell me what you think. Here is the toilet. Okay, so this is the toilet. Yeah. So it's pretty well neat and nice, clean. So here you get it. So if you think this video is educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to get notified when I send more videos like this. Yeah, so this is my Remodel bathroom looking brand new. Brand new, yeah, showing the ceiling. Crispy. Everything looking crispy. It's all white. So there you get it. So until then, see you guys in my next video. So hit a record. Make sure, no. Alright, yeah, hit a record. Alright, so this is my new bathroom. Oh, this light, no, this light not working out good for me. Yeah, so I'm just getting something right.